Hello, Sultana.
Oh,
Do you hear me well?
yeah, I hear you.
Good, very good. How are you?
Um, I don't, I'm fine actually.
Did you go
But
to school
it's,
today?
yeah, I went to school and I had like a lot of benchmarks.
Benchmark in what? In every subject?
Yeah, basically that. Like, it was really tiring for me this whole week. Like, they gave me like for Spanish today, they gave me like two massive packets because tomorrow I have a Spanish benchmark. And I just finished it so that I wouldn't have to worry when I come out of class. And like it's so tiring. Like yesterday, like usually whenever I like go to bed and just like, like it takes me at least like half an hour to fall asleep, right? But the
Hmm.
second I put down my head yesterday, I literally just fell asleep. Like that was something new. Like I was really tired.
Okay. If you have some math homework or math work, we can do it.
Yeah, I have like a math thing that we could do later.
Where? In Han Academy or
Yeah, Khan Academy. She assigned it and then I finished some and then I didn't understand the last one when the class ended.
how many questions didn't you didn't understand?
Like a couple, like four.
Okay. All right. Then let's start this. Okay. And also I'm gonna practice some word problems with you. And how many minutes do we need for the 10, 15 minutes?
15 would be nice.
Okay. All right. Then let me know it's after 40 minutes. Okay. Sultana, last time, if you remember, we practiced questions that involve fractions. We call this algebraic fractions. Algebraic fraction is just a fraction that has a variable, either at the top or bottom. And if you have only one fraction on the left, one fraction on the right, one easy way to solve this one is butterfly method, right? That is
Yeah.
cross product rule. Okay, that's it. The idea is a lot of equations are solved in this way. So let's do two questions together, and after that, I want you to practice more questions. You see, if you look at the question seven, if you look at question seven, on the left we have one fraction, on the right we have one fraction. Just make sure that we have only one fraction on the left, one fraction on the right. And after that, we can cross multiply, right? If we cross multiply, I get here 8, and here we have m minus 8. Numbers at the bottom go to the top, right? And here we have 6 and m minus 9. As I told you, every time we are going to use distributive property. Can you distribute the left-hand side?
What? I
Distribute the left-hand side, open parenthesis,
uh 8m
8m,
8m minus so
64, right? 8
60.
times 8 is 64, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
Equals.
equals uh
Yeah, you should be fast.
5.
Again, you are thinking, well, it's just a distributed property, right? Just say it's
Uh,
6m,
uh,
right?
yeah, 6m
Minus
minus 54.
54. Now we move unknowns to the left, numbers to the right. So here we have 8m minus 6m, right? Because
Yeah,
positive becomes negative. Move
equals
negative 64 to the
54
right hand side, it will be positive. And here we have
minus
negative 54.
54
8m minus 6m, that is 2m.
equals
64 minus
10.
54 is 10,
10.
right? So
Yeah,
dot, 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 m is equal to
5.
5. Okay, but you should be a bit faster because we practice a lot. You know the knowledge. Now just we need speed, okay?
Yeah, we
Because
can I
if we are fast, we
copy it.
can learn more in a short period of time. That's why I wanted to do this fast. Okay, Sultan, now do it. Tell me, cross multiply. What should I write on the left?
Uh, uh, can I quickly copy something?
Okay.
Mm. Okay, so two two over three
2r,
four.
right?
Yeah, two
Equals.
R equals
And
uh,
also, can you multiply immediately? Because I know that after you multiply, right? You can just multiply 4 by r plus 4. So that will be 4r plus 16, right?
yeah,
And of course, if you just write it like 2 times r is equal to 4, r plus 4. But now we are experienced. Also, we can just do this step immediately, right?
yeah.
Okay. And next step is,
2R minus 2R minus 4R equals 16.
uh-huh,
And then negative 2R equals 16.
mm-hmm. What is r?
16.
16 divided by negative 2, right?
Yeah, so
Is equal
negative
to
8.
negative 8. That's it, you know. But if you try fast, you know, that gives you more self-confidence. And okay, let's do question 9.
Okay. So 5. So 5 equals
Can you just multiply mentally quickly, okay? After all, we are going to multiply like this, right? So that
yeah,
is 5 times v minus
5
2, right?
minus 2.
Equals 2 times v minus 8, right?
Yeah.
Tell me the next step. What is the next step?
So 2 equals V minus
No, no, no,
2.
not 2. We are opening the left-hand side, right? We'd say 5v minus
Um,
10, right?
yeah, 5V
Equals,
minus 5V minus 10 equals 2V, and then minus 16,
faster.
and then 5V minus 2V minus
Equals,
10.
equals. Immediate move number to the right, letter to
Oh,
the left.
3V.
10 minus 16, right? In the first step, we open we cross multiply. Second step, we open parentheses. Third step, take unknowns to the left, numbers to the right at the same time, and
Yeah,
simplify again, right?
yeah.
What is 5v minus 2v?
5V, 3V.
3v equals
3V equals negative 6,
negative 6. So what is v?
negative 2.
Negative 2. Okay? Now do question 10 in your notebook. Try to do in 1 minute, okay? Yes, Sultana.
Okay, do I just tell you the answer?
Yeah, first tell me the answer. What did you get?
Negative 14.
Very good. All right. So now let's cross multiply with our parentheses.
So K
6k
6K 6K
minus
minus
36
36, and then I got
equals
equals
all right.
8K
First, just
minus,
right, Sultana. I just want you to speak in mathematical language. This is a given. The second step, we know that we are cross multiplying, right?
yeah,
So we cross multiply and tell me the answer. So if you cross multiply, I multiply 6 by k minus 6. That is 6k minus 36 equals, on the right hand side, we have 8k minus 8. Just tell me
Yeah.
this. I can understand how you are doing this, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Next step.
K minus 8. And then 6K minus 8K equals
Uh-huh.
negative 8 plus 36.
Okay. Next,
Negative 2K equals negative 8 plus 36.
which is 28, right?
Yeah.
28 dot dot
And
dot K
K,
equals.
K equals negative 14.
Yeah. Okay, that's it, like this. Question 11. Do it in your notebook. 1 minute, okay? Try to do it a bit faster. Yes, Sultana.
Wait, I need to do the last step. Okay. Uh,
What is
so
y?
uh, y equals 9.
9?
No, I mean 1. 1.
1. If it is 1, that's correct. Okay. So if you cross multiply, right, 4 goes to the top. First, did you write 4y minus 28
Yeah.
equals 3y minus
3y minus
27?
27. Yeah.
Very good. And move to this side, right? And 28 to the left-hand side. Y is equal to 1. Do question 12. Yes, Sultana.
Mm, Okay. So I did
What did you
H
get? First, tell me your answer.
H equals ne 21.
Negative 20 or 21?
Negative.
It is negative.
Negative.
Okay. So you cross multiply, right? And open
Yeah.
parentheses. If we have 4h minus
Minus
24, right?
24 equals 9. Yeah.
Uh-huh. 9h plus
9 plus 81.
81.
And
Okay.
then negative 5H equals 81 plus
Very
24.
good. Let me just write here. So negative 5h is equal to 105, right?
105. Yeah.
So from here, h is equal to negative 21. Okay. And now, okay, we are just working to increase our speed. You know, if we can solve faster, we can learn more in a short period of time. Okay. Do 13. Try to solve in 1 minute. Okay. Come on, Sultana. It's a very easy question.
I got it.
What
It's
is it?
18. 18.
Hmm?
18?
18?
Yeah.
No. If
Wait.
we cross multiply, here we have 4r, right? On the right
Oh,
hand
wait,
side,
wait,
2
I
times.
think I know what I did wrong.
Okay. Correct your mistake.
Mm. Oh, it's 10.
It is 10. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Do question 14. 1 minute. Because as you practice more, Sultana, when you look at the question, idea comes really fast. You know what to do. That is called, mastering your problem solving skill. Because to be able to solve questions fast, to be able to understand fast, we need to practice as many questions as possible.
Um, X equal. So this one's 18.
18?
Yeah.
Very good. So if you cross multiply, here we have 7x, right? Minus 42 is equal to 3 times 2x minus 8. That is 6x minus 24. Did you write like this first?
Yeah.
Okay, move these numbers, right? And that's
7x
equal to
minus
18.
6. Yeah.
Do 15.
Uh,
Yes, Sultana.
uh, 3.
Are you sure?
Oh, wait, no, -3.
-3, right?
Yeah.
Plus 9 is equal to 3, 3u plus 7. If you open this, here we have 8u plus 18. And here we have 9u plus 3 times 7, 21, right? So
Yeah.
dot, 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 u is equal to -3. Okay, do question 16.
So the last 15 minutes is gonna be around 8:40.
Yeah, 8:45. If you have 3, 4 questions, we can do them in 15 minutes.
Yeah, okay. It equals no wait, 3.
Very good. X equals 3. If you cross multiply, here we have 10 times 2, that is 20x minus 10 is equal to 15x plus 5, right? Move 15x to the left-hand side, that is 5x. -10 to the right-hand side, it will be 15. So x is equal to 3.
Yeah.
Okay? All right. So these are similar questions. Okay, I'm going to move to word problems. Now we'll practice word problems. That is really important, but you will see the Sultana, once you understand the language of math, which means that you know how to translate words into mathematical expression or mathematical equation. They will become very easy. Piece of cake, okay? So actually, in English, we have two articles, right? Definite article and indefinite article. It's a and the. So when we say a number in math, we mean it's unknown. It is X. Okay. So that is a key word in solving problems. If we say that a number plus something, that means we mean X plus something because we don't know that number. It is indefinite. All right. Let me just write the name quickly. Then we start. Okay. All right. So first, what do we do in the first step? Can you reach the step number 1, step number 2, step number 3?
Define a variable. Use let statements to define your variable. Set equation and solve. Translate into an equation using your statements, then solve. Define answer. Give exactly what the problem is asking for.
Okay. So translate into an equation using your let statements, then solve. Give exactly what the problem is asking for. All right. Let's start with the first question. Read it.
The larger of two numbers is 4 more than the smaller number. If the sum of the numbers is 74. Find the numbers.
Okay, we try to solve these equations using only one variable. Okay, so we are talking
There's
about two numbers. Let's say the small number, okay, and this one is large number.
wait, so there's two answers, right?
No, one answer. The two numbers because we are talking about two numbers. So, do we know the smaller number, Sultana?
Yeah.
We don't know. We don't know these numbers yet. We don't know any of these numbers. Suppose that let the smaller number be x. Okay. Now read the question.
If the sum of the numbers
No,
is
no, the first part.
74,
The larger
find
of two numbers.
the larger of two numbers is four more than the smaller number.
Four more, right? It's saying that here we have four more. So that means that if smaller number is x, the larger number should be x plus 4, right?
Yeah.
That's our variable, the first one, the first step, number one. And now this one,
Okay,
step number
so
one. Step
so
number
if
two, I'm going to set up my equation. So if the sum of the numbers is 74, the first number is
so x plus 4
x
is
plus 4 equals
74. 74.
74. That's our equation. And now we have to solve this. You know how to solve it, right? We have just practiced. X plus x, it is 2x.
2x.
Move 4 to the right-hand side, that is 70, right?
Yeah.
So what is x?
Uh 30.
5, right?
Oh, 35. 35.
So I'm going to write the answer then. The smaller number is 35. And the larger number is 35 plus
39.
4. That is 39.
39.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Read the next question.
The larger of two numbers is 7 less than 3 times the smaller number.
Stop.
If
Okay,
this,
stop. Let's just translate this into expression, mathematical expression. So again, Sultan, the first step, we are talking about two numbers, right? One
yeah,
is the small number, and another one is larger number. Okay. Do we
yeah,
know the small number? We don't know. Okay.
no.
Suppose that it is x. And now read it again.
If the sum of the
No, the
numbers,
larger of two numbers from the beginning.
the larger of two numbers is 7 less than 3 times.
Okay, what is it? This 7 times, it says 7 less than 3 times the smaller number. What is smaller
Oh,
number?
okay. So we're gonna do like 3x minus
3x
7,
minus 7. That's correct. Why?
because
That
like
is
it's
7
7
less
less
than 3
3
times
times.
the smaller number. And the second step is we are going to set up our equation. Now it says that here in the question if the sum, right? The sum of these numbers is 61. So the first number is x. The second number is 3x minus 7,
3x
right?
minus, yeah,
Which is equal to 61.
61.
As you see, once you translate now, we have already learned how to solve equations. The rest is easy. Now let's
Yeah.
simplify. First, what is x plus 3x?
Uh,
4x.
68 for x,
4x. Move negative 7 to the right-hand side. 61 plus 7,
76.
60. 68, right?
Oh yeah.
61 plus 7. So 4 times x equals 68. What is x?
6 17.
17. Okay. And now in the first third step, we are going to write the answers. What is a smaller number?
17.
17. And what is a larger number?
40.
3 times 17, 51.
44.
51 minus 7,
41.
44.
44.
Okay. So now I'll give it 2 minutes. You read it yourself. I'm not going to help you. Okay. Try question three. 2 minutes.
Um, function of the sum of what?
I took out this one. I took out the one.
Um,
Yes, Sultan.
so like I'm thinking like could be
So we are given a smaller number and larger number,
no
right?
no no yeah I got that. It's just I'm trying to
So
see what the last number the larger number is. Like I'm
what is your smaller number?
21
Very good. So a smaller number is x. What is your larger number? Can you tell me the expression?
uh x plus 4x.
No.
Wait,
For
what?
x plus 1.
E-
It says
I-
1 more than 4 times the smaller number, right?
So 4x plus 1.
Yeah, that is
X
1
plus
more than
oh
4
wait.
times the
So
smaller
then
number.
so then
The smaller number is x, right?
yeah, so then it's gonna be 80 85.
85. So the sum of these numbers, the first number is x, second number is 4x plus 1, right? So that's equal to 106. So here we have 5x is equal to 106 minus 1, right?
Yeah.
So x is equal to 21. And now the
21.
third step, we're going to write the answer. Third step, smaller number is 21 and larger number is 4 times 21 plus 1, which is
88.
85.
Yeah.
Okay? All right. Now let's do question 4 together. Now you'll try question 5. With question 4.
The larger of two numbers is twice as smaller number is wait what? The larger of two numbers is twice the smaller number. If 12 subtracted from the larger number, the result is 7 more than the smaller number. Find the numbers.
Okay. Let's
Okay,
begin. Actually,
so
do it step by step, sentence by sentence. The larger of two numbers is twice the smaller number. Do we know the smaller number?
yeah.
We don't know. Where is it? We don't know. What is it?
I thought it was the other one.
Which one? What is the smaller number here?
I thought you were talking about the other one. Like, I thought they were all connected.
Yeah, I mean the value of the smaller one, we don't know yet, right?
Oh, yeah, we don't.
So we are just labeling this, okay, defining our variable. Suppose that let the smaller number be x. Now,
Yeah.
what is a larger number?
Uh, you don't know?
Twice, right? In terms of x. Twice means 2 times,
The
right?
smaller number.
That should be 2x.
Yeah.
I mean, in terms of x. Okay, this is the first step. Now, second step, we're going to set up our equation. Read the second sentence.
If 12 is subtracted from the larger number, the result
Stop.
is
Okay,
7.
stop. If 12 is subtracted from the larger number, tell me the expression that represents the sentence.
Um,
What is a larger number?
2x.
2x, right? And 12 is subtracted from this, right?
Yeah.
That is 2x minus 12.
So x minus 12.
2x minus 12.
uh,
Because our larger number is 2x, right?
yeah. So,
And the result means equals.
yeah.
Okay, read the second part.
Uh, The result is 7 more than the smaller number. Find
Oh,
the number.
okay, all right. 7 more than smaller number. Can you tell me what is the right hand side of this equation?
X minus
X plus
X plus
7.
7.
Why
Yeah.
that is 7 more than the smaller number? That is actually 7 more than small number is x plus 7.
Oh, so then,
And
mm,
now in the find the numbers means that Sultana, what does find mean? It means that now solve your equation.
yeah,
Okay, if you solve this equation, move x to the left hand side, it is x. Negative 12 to the right hand side, it is 19, right?
yeah,
And on the third step, we are going to write the answer. So our smaller number is 19. What is the larger number?
38.
38.
8.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's it. If you understand it, it's really easy. So just you should understand the vocabulary. More
yeah,
than means plus, right? Twice means 2 times. The result means equals. Is means equals. Okay?
yeah.
Okay. Read question 5.
The highest score on an algebra test was 42 points more than the lowest. When added together, the lowest and highest score was 154. Find both of the highest and lowest score. So,
I
do
will
I?
give you first 2 minutes. Sultana, can you read yourself one more time, solve it, and tell me the answer? Okay, then we'll discuss. Yeah, 2 minutes.
One second.
Done?
So like, do I tell you the answer first?
First, tell me the equations. How did you set up your equations? Tell me the first step.
So X minus Y equals 42.
Okay, we have lowest score and the highest score, right?
Yeah.
Suppose the lowest score is X. Then what is the highest score?
Uh, 154.
No.
But it says 154.
It says the highest score is 52 points more than the lowest score, right? So it should
And
be X plus 42.
yeah, so then, oh,
That's the
okay.
first step.
Yeah.
And second step, it says one added together, right? So we
Yeah.
are adding lowest and highest together. Lowest is X, highest is X plus 42, right?
Yeah.
So their sum is equal to 154.
Yeah.
And if you solve this, X plus X is 2X. Move 40 to the right hand side. 154 minus 42. So X is
Yeah.
equal to 100. Is it 12? Yes.
Yeah.
112 divided by 2, which is equal to 56, right?
Yeah.
And now the third step, we're going to write the lowest score, that is 56. What is the highest score?
The highest score is 98.
98. Okay, Sultana, the step by step. This step, actually algorithm is really important. In the future, maybe after 1 year or 2 years, if you learn any coding, you should be able to do things, line by line. What is the good thing about this? Number one, it develops your problem solving skill in algebraic method. Number two, if you make a mistake, suppose that you're solving something, right? You're an engineer somewhere, but your result is wrong. So you can go back and search for your mistake in systematic way, step by step. Check first step, second step, third step, it is easy to find out your mistake. And that's
Yeah.
why, solving step by step is really important in algebra. Okay? All right, Sultana, now open your Khan Academy. If you have more time, we will continue. Otherwise, we'll finish, okay? Because we are running out of time. So
Mm.
I'll let you share your screen. Okay. Oh, that's very easy question, Sultana. Which expressions are equivalent to this, right?
Yeah.
How do you do that? First, you have to simplify. You know how to simplify this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just use this color. If you simple, can you open parentheses? 4
Yeah.
times negative 5z.
Uh, it's going to be 40.
Oh my gosh, why? Say again,
What?
what is 4 times negative 5z?
Negative 20.
Yeah, negative 20z, right? Okay, we
Yeah.
are done. 4 times 2 is 8, right?
Yeah.
And also opening parentheses, Sultana, what is plus times minus? It is minus, right?
Minus. Yeah.
Now let's simplify. Okay, here we have negative 20z. What is 8 minus 6?
Um, uh, three,
2.
three, two. Yeah, two.
8 minus 6 is 2. And here we have 20z, but here we have negative 20z. It's not the answer, right?
Yeah.
But
No.
how about B? I don't know. Let's check this. If you open parentheses, 2 times negative 10, that is negative 20z, right?
Negative 20.
And 2 times 1, it is 2, right?
Two.
Are they same?
Yeah.
They're same. So it is B. Because how can I compare this? First, you have to bring them into the simplest form. Because every expression has a single simplest form. Then
What?
you can compare, are they same or not?
Okay. I think I got it. Okay, I think I know this one. J, and then so then I do.
Is it a question?
Yeah, this is a question.
Mm-hmm. Okay, read it.
Donovan
Don't know one.
Donovan eats two granola bars and drinks one glass of orange juice for breakfast every day. The price of a granola bar is B dollars and the price of the glass of orange is J dollars. The expression 7 times 2B plus J describes how much Donovan spends on breakfast in 1 week. Match each
Because,
amount in the situation.
yeah, because in 7 days, we have 7 days. Each day, two granola, each one costs B dollars, and one glass of orange juice, which costs J dollars, right? So
Yeah.
that's a total amount of money that you spend for this food in 1 week. Okay, because first we should understand the problem. Okay, what is the question here? Read it.
Match the amount in the situation with the expression that represents it.
Okay, read the
Uh,
first one.
Amount Donovan spends on breakfast each day.
Okay, each day, how much does she spend?
2B.
No, the two B is only for granola. Also, he drinks, right?
Oh, yeah. So 2B plus J.
That's correct. Because he eats granola and drinks, that's why it's 2B plus J.
Yeah.
Okay, B, the second one, read the second one.
The amount he spends on granola bars each day.
Granola bars, right? How much does he spend?
2B for this one.
2B. Okay.
The amount he spends on juice for each day.
How much?
J.
J, right? Because one glass of orange juice is J dollars. So he spends J dollars for orange.
And the number of days is 7.
Buys breakfast. So he buys for 7 days, right? That's
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, I get it.
Now simplify this yourself, Sultana. Do it in your notebook and tell me the answer. You know how to open parentheses, right? We practice a lot.
Yeah. The answer is A.
A,
Yeah.
that's correct. Very good.
This one's easy.
Now
Yeah.
again, the same thing. You open parentheses and simplify. Also do it yourself.
Um, two, two, half, five. Wait, I don't know how to say it.
2 over
Wait,
5, right?
2/5. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Two
Write your
over.
answer. Let me see.
Huh?
Yeah, write your answer. Let me see. Okay.
Mm, minus 1/5.
Yeah, 1 over 5. That's correct. Or 1/5 or 1 over 5. The same thing. That's correct. You open the parentheses and the add. You know how to add rational numbers, right?
Yeah, now I get it.
Okay. Now do this one. It must be a piece of cake because we practice a lot. Do this.
A
Very good.
or
That's correct. You should be a bit faster. A.
yeah,
Because if you just open the parentheses, Sultana, 7n minus 4n is 3n, right? And
yeah,
minus minus is plus 3. So 3n plus 3. That's it.
yeah. And that's it. Mm.
What did that resume? Why did you stop it?
Mm. Oh, this? We don't,
You finished already?
I think so.
I think you have just finished, right? Okay.
Yeah.
How about that one? Resume
Oh, which one?
on the right hand side. Go to above. Go up. Yeah. Why is it
This one?
saying resume? Yes.
Ah. Oh, yeah. These,
You didn't do this yet?
I already did one question. I'm on the second.
What is a constant of proportionality? It's passes to zero, right?
Yeah.
Can you make it a bit bigger or I can see that
Yeah, sure.
the constant of proportionality y over x. So what is it? Make it smaller. Okay. Yeah, I can see it now. So what is the constant of proportionality for this graph?
Y over X,
Yeah, yeah, what is it?
three,
Huh?
1, 2, 3. It's like 3.5.
Yes.
So I write 3.5 or
Yeah.
3.5.
3.5, of course.
Okay.
Now, how about this one? Constant of proportionality.
This one, it's like between,
You
no
should
wait,
just find
three.
the coordinates. As you see here, the coordinates, this point, right? X coordinate is 4, right? And Y coordinate is 3, right?
Yeah,
And
so
constant of proportionality is Y over X, right?
yeah.
So that is 3 over 4.
Um,
Or if
okay.
you just change this into a decimal number, that is 0.75. A proper fraction. So that's 3 over 4.
Oh, it still worked.
Actually, it's still the same thing.
Yeah. I thought it was fixed. Which line has a
Because constant proportionality is valid when the graph passes through the origin. You see the origin? And now which line has a constant of proportionality between y and x of 5 over 4? Let's find for each. What is the constant proportionality of A? Let me just find one by one. A. And let's find B. And let's find C.
um,
Okay, to find A, just choose any point. Make sure that both coordinates are positive. For example, this point, you see?
yeah.
So what is y coordinate?
s-
5, right? You see?
5.
And x coordinate? 2, right? You see this one is 2, right?
Mhm.
2 and 5. Okay, this 5 over 2. And B, how about B? Let's pick any point. Make sure that both are whole number. Let's choose this point. Again, y coordinate is 5, right? X
5 over
coordinate
4.
is 4. So that is B for sure. And how about C? For example, if you choose this, y coordinate is 2, x coordinate is 8, right? It should be 2 over 8.
Yeah.
So which one of it is B?
Yeah.
The B is constant of proportionality is 5 over 4.
I have a 3-week streak. So,
Okay, how about this? You finish everything?
yeah, I got 100.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Sultana?
Yeah.
Oh, that's all very good. You just keep studying like this. Day by day, math should be easier for you.
Yeah.
That's 3 months ago. Remember, how were you? Actually, I recorded. Now you improved a lot. Inshallah, you'll be really good. This algebra one, if you study well, every math will be easy for you. Okay, but you should understand this fundamental math, how to solve equations, how to translate word problems into equations well, and inshallah you'll be very good. And also, if you have opportunity, you need to join some math competitions. Math competitions, Olympiads, it will really improve you a lot, you know. It's a kind of motivation for you. Okay?
Yeah.
Sultana, have a good day. See you on Sunday. Okay?
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye.